In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to generate thought leadership posts for LinkedIn with AI. If you've been struggling to come up with consistent high-quality content that positions you as an expert in your field, this video is for you. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special way for you to follow along with the software we'll be using at no cost. First, let's talk about the power of AI in creating LinkedIn content. AI can help you streamline your writing process and deliver valuable insights that engage your audience, all while saving you time. The trick is knowing how to guide the AI to produce posts that reflect your expertise and resonate with your LinkedIn network. Start by identifying the core topic or industry trend you want to share your thoughts on. Whether it's a new development in your field, a challenge, or a personal insight, make sure it's relevant to your audience. You don't want to post just to post. Your thought leadership content needs to have value. Once you've got your topic, jump into the AI software. For the software we're using today, you'll want to input a brief summary of your chosen topic. Think of it as giving the AI a bit of context. Be specific about what kind of post you want, whether it's a personal experience, a detailed analysis, or a big picture perspective on industry trends. The more detail you provide, the better the output. Next, let the AI generate a draft for you. Now here's the secret. AI doesn't always nail it perfectly the first time. It's a tool, not a replacement for your expertise. So, take the draft, read it through, and tweak it where necessary. You want the post to sound like it's coming from you, not a robot. Adjust the tone, add a personal touch, and make sure your unique voice shines through. Once your post is polished, consider adding some engaging elements. Ask a question, share a bold statement, or end with a call to action that invites your audience to comment or share their thoughts. The goal is to spark engagement and get people talking. And if you're wondering, how can I create more of these posts quickly? Well, the software we're using today can generate multiple drafts in just a few minutes, making it easy to stay consistent and keep your content calendar filled. If you're serious about leveraging AI for LinkedIn, the free trial link in the description will let you test it out yourself, exclusively for viewers of this channel. To recap, here's the key takeaway. You can easily generate thought leadership posts for LinkedIn using AI by choosing a relevant topic, inputting it into the software, refining the output, and adding your personal touch to ensure your unique voice is heard. Don't forget to use the free trial linked below to follow along with the software we've used in this tutorial. Make sure you grab that free trial and start creating your own thought leadership content today. Thanks for watching.